So you practice your pieces, maybe a lot, but your playing isn't improving the way you want it to. Certain passages never get clean. They just feel tense, uneven, and out of control. And no matter how many times you repeat them, they really don't improve. There's a reason for this. And it's probably not because you're not working hard enough. This is something I've seen over and over, both with my university students and in my private studio. So let me show you what you need to do different if you want to improve. Many pianists believe that they don't really need to practice technique because it's already in their pieces. Yes, pieces do contain scales, arpeggios, and octaves, but that doesn't mean you're improving your technique when you're practicing your pieces. What I see over and over with students is this. When they practice a piece, they're thinking about everything at once. The notes, the fingering, the rhythm, the phrasing, everything. Then, when something goes wrong technically, they don't stop to fix it. They just keep repeating the same passage again and again, hoping it will magically get better. Unfortunately, the problems are actually reinforced. I auditioned a student who was playing Schubert's Impromptu in E flat. It's this piece. She said to me, well, I practice this over and over, but it never sounds clean. Well, it didn't. It was uneven, it was rushed, and it was tense. Unfortunately, her former teachers had never had her practice technique, so she didn't have the technical foundation to support this piece. I had her stop the impromptu completely. I gave her varied technique assignments each week, and she really worked hard. After about a year, we went back to the impromptu. We isolated the problem areas, and I had her focus also on the E flat major and the C minor scales with some arpeggios, because those are what this piece is built on. This piece actually ended up feeling easy to her. She was finally able to play it fast, clean, and completely in control. Pieces are not where you build your technique. It's where you use it. Technique practice is where you actually build your skills. Your fingers are your tools, and if they aren't technically trained, they won't be able to handle the technical challenges of your music. When I was teaching piano performance at the University of Utah, every year during auditions, the faculty had to turn away numerous students who were clearly musical, but their fingers weren't ready. They simply didn't have the technique to handle the demands of our piano program. The surprising part is that most of them had studied piano for years. Sadly, they had not been trained technically. It's extremely important to warm up with technique, scales, arpeggios, octaves, etc. Exercise books are especially helpful because they give you short, focused challenges that are progressive. You can take one exercise, focus on one or two specific technical problems, and really master them. Then you move on to the next exercise. You can isolate problems and actually fix them. Then you can apply your new skills to your pieces. Another important point is that your pieces alone don't give you the technical variety that you really need. So your technique can actually fall behind. Consistent technique practice is essential. It keeps your fingers in shape for whatever technical challenges you encounter in your music. One of my former university students had to relocate and start studying at a different school. Even though I had trained her to always warm up with technique, she was only required there to work on advanced repertoire. Over time, she developed so much tension, she injured her hands and wrists, and to this very day, she is unable to play without pain. So technique practice isn't just about playing better. It actually protects your hands. If you're not sure what to practice for technique, we've put together a free set of technique exercises that target the most common technical problems pianists struggle with. Things like uneven scales and the under and over motion in arpeggios. If you take only one thing away from this video, I truly hope it will be this. Practicing technique enables you to play the pieces you really want to play, including advanced repertoire. Technique exercises build strength, evenness, control, and speed. It's difficult to refine these skills with pieces alone. Now, if you are practicing technique consistently and you're still not seeing that you're improving, you may be practicing technique the wrong way. If your scales are uneven or you just can't get them faster, click here to watch the next video. I'll show you how to play chromatic scales faster and more evenly without tension.